Changing the phone number associated with your iCloud account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into iCloud. Open your web browser and go to the iCloud website. Enter your Apple ID and password to sign into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate and click on your account name or profile icon, usually found in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Edit phone number. In the Account Settings section, look for the option labeled Reachable Auto Phone Numbers. Click on the edit icon next to your current phone number to make changes. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Input your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering the new phone number, you may receive a verification code via SMS. Enter this code in the provided field to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your iCloud account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.